Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Transact. My name is Levi and today we are at Eastbourne on the East Coastway Line. So today we're seeing services by Southern, and that's about it. Yes, that's 37716 that brought me in from Hastings. Not much else to say really, get on with the show. Okay, the next train arriving in will be the 1440 Southern service to Orr. Sam? This is worked by 377160. Okay, 377416 is about ready to depart with a 1440 Southern service to Brighton. This brought me in from Hastings. Be careful so you gotta run yourself into the train. Snaking her way around the bends. Lovely jubbly. Okay, now arriving in is a terminating Southern service from Ashford International with their 171 units. 171721. Snaking her way around the bends. Going a little bit quickly, if I'm honest. Declassified first class. I love turbo stars, they're very nice. I also really love their motor. I really love it. Sorry, really love it. Yeah, shut up. Oh god. 37760 is about ready to depart with the 1444 Southern service to Orr. A whistle there from the driver, thank you very much. Making her way around the bend, as you do. A little bit quickly, if I'm honest. Wow. Turns out the speed limit here at Eastbourne's not that low. Okay, now coming in is an incredibly grotty looking unit, presumably terminating here from London Victoria. That front end is, well, half of it's pretty grotty, the other half is pretty clean. I'm a perfectionist, aren't I? 377433 leads this one in. I would go outside, outside of the canopy area, but it's raining, so.
1449 Southern service to Ashford International. Hampden Park, Pevensey Westham, Norman's Bay, Hampden Beach, Brighton,
That's more like a terminus.
Hastings, Winchelsea, Rye, Appledore, Hampstead.
Is it Winchelsea or Winchelsea? I don't know. Please tell me, because I'd like to know. Okay, the next train to depart platform 2 will be the 1449 Ashford International Service. Oh, I can do my announcements. Wow. Oh, who am I? Out the way, seagull. Lovely, smuvly, pavely. That diesel smell as well, lovely. The train now arriving into platform 1 is the 1500 Southern service from Orr to London Victoria. (377.45). Absolutely smuggling. And final train of the day will be 377.45 departing to London Victoria. And off she goes. So with that, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, and it's greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed what you see today, please make sure to like and subscribe, and as well leave a comment. I will go back to them as and when I can. A very enjoyable station. I will be coming back here again. I don't think in the near future, but definitely some point during the future. So, from me and Eastbourne, that's over. Okay guys, goodbye.